In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Wrike. Whether you're managing a small team or handling a large project, assigning tasks effectively can make a significant difference in your workflow. Wrike is a powerful tool that can help you manage tasks with ease, ensuring that everyone knows what they need to focus on and when. First, let's get started by opening your Wrike dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll see all your projects and tasks laid out. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, the dashboard should feel familiar, like the control center of your project management activities. It's where you can monitor everything from deadlines to project statuses. Now with the dashboard open, let's move on to selecting the task or project you want to assign. You can either scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific task or project you're interested in. Make sure that you click on it to open the detailed view. This view allows you to see all the associated details and options available for the task or project. Next, we're going to look for the assignee field. This is an important step because it's where you determine who will be responsible for this task. In the detailed view, there should be a section or field labeled Assignee. Once you find it, click on it. Doing so will typically open up a small window or drop-down where you can see a list of team members. Choose the person who you want to assign the task to. If your team is large, you might find a search bar helpful to quickly locate the right member. Additionally, after selecting the assignee, it's a great idea to include any pertinent notes or additional instructions in the description field. This ensures that the assignee has all the information they need to complete the task effectively. Context is crucial, especially if it's a complex task. Providing details can save time in back-and-forth communications and prevent misunderstandings. Once you've chosen your assignee, a very useful feature in Wrike is the project overview. Clicking on this option will give you a holistic view of where your task fits within the larger project context. It's a helpful step if you want to see how this task connects with others, its deadlines, and the project timeline at large. This perspective is invaluable when managing interconnected tasks to ensure everything stays on track. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a task in Wrike. Remember, assigning tasks is just the beginning. Keeping track of progress and communicating regularly with your team can lead to successful project completions. So, make sure to check back frequently and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching and happy task